Every year, same road, same tree, same argument that never ends. Galaxy was already there.
Stickman fight and story animations are one of the easiest niches to grow an audience in right now. Low production cost, high rewatch value, and viewers don't expect pixel level detail, they expect good action and pacing. If you've been wanting to start a Stickman animation channel or grow one you already have but don't have After Effects skills and definitely don't have hours to spend animating frame by frame, AI just resolved those barriers that used to stop most people from starting. I will list every tool and every prompt I'll be using in this tutorial in the description below. Now, the first thing you need to do is to decide the type of Stickman animated videos you want to be creating for your YouTube channel. Are they storytime Stickman animation, educational or documentary Stickman videos, Stickman fight animations, or comedy Stickman animation, or life lesson or more stories? For this example, I'm going to go for Stickman fight animation. The fight scenes or fight animations are one of the most challenging or difficult scenes to create using AI. This is the same thing that we want to go for. We can easily create comedy Stickman animation or educational or documentaries, but let's try something really hard. Now that we've selected the type of Stickman animated videos that we want to be creating for our channel, the next thing we need to do is to select the type of a Stickman character we want to be using for our video. I created all these different Stickman characters that I can use for my videos. I will leave a document in the description below that has all these different type of Stickman characters that you can easily copy, paste in an image generating tool and create your own Stickman character. You can as well tweak the prompt a little bit to fit exactly the type of a Stickman character you want to create. Because we are creating fight scenes, this is the type of a Stickman character I will go for. All you have to do is copy any of this prompt that describes a specific Stickman character, come to Flow AI, paste in your prompt, hit generate, and your characters will be generated just like that. For all these characters that you are seeing right now on the screen, I used Nano Banana Pro inside OpenArt AI, but all the links to these characters are in the description below. Once we decide on the type of animated stories we'll be creating, and we've also decided on the type of a Stickman figure we'll stick with throughout the entire video creation, the next thing we need is a story. I created this story prompt for you. All you have to do is insert the story idea, the Stickman type, the targeted duration or length for your story, and if narration is necessary. Once you insert all those details, it will look like this. For me, it's a beef between these two smartphones, Samsung Galaxy and an iPhone. Once you insert your story idea, the Stickman style you're going for, the duration for your video, and narration if necessary, all you have to do is copy the entire prompt, come over to Cloud AI, and at the top here, select code. And once code is selected, just paste in your entire prompt and hit generate. Now, what Cloud Code is going to do is it will give you a summary of your entire story. It will give you the prompts for all the characters in your story. And not only that, it will give you a scene-by-scene breakdown with the exact scene image prompt you need and motion prompt that you need to turn that still image into an animated video clip. Not only that, but on each scene where narration is necessary, it will give you the exact narration needed for it. Not only that, but when you scroll down to the end, it will tell you the type of music needed for it, the sound effect needed, and the cut timings. All you have to do is scroll up to your characters list and copy the prompt that describes your first character. What you want to do is come over to Google Flow AI and click on New Project. And in the prompt box here, paste in the prompt you copied in Cloud. After that, click on this button And here set the desired aspect ratio and the preferred number of images per generation. After that, select the desired model you're going to use to create your character. Once that is done, hit generate. And your characters will be generated just like that. From here, what you want to do is go back to Claude and copy the second prompt for the second character. Come back to Flow and paste your prompt there and hit generate. And our character will be generated just like that. If you do not like the position of your character, you can still edit your prompt and paste your prompt and regenerate your character. And your characters will be generated just like that. This is the same method I used to create this character and this character. Now that we have our characters ready, let's go back to Claude AI and create the scene images. For the first scene, this is the prompt. We will just copy it. All I have to do from here is drag the character into the prompt box and paste in the prompt for the first scene that we've just copied in Claude Code. Hit generate, and there we have our first scene and our character positioned exactly like we described with our prompt. From there, the next thing that we need to do is to animate this character. All we have to do is copy this prompt. The tool that we're going to use that is very good when it comes to fast motions and fighting scene is Dance. Inside OpenArt's image to video, ensure that the text with reference is selected and the model Dance is selected. Upload the image you just created in Flow. Once it's uploaded, just paste in the prompt you copied in Claude AI. Set your preferred aspect ratio, your preferred resolution, and duration. Once that is done, just hit generate. As the video is generating, the next thing is the narration part. All we have to do is copy exactly what our narrator has to say and come over to 11 Labs and select text to speech. Paste in exactly what your narrator has to say and select a voice that will match everything that you are telling. Once you select your voice artist that you're going to use, just hit the generate button here.
Every year, same road, same tree, same argument that never ends.
If you're happy with how it sounds, just hit the download button here. That's amazing. From there, it takes us to the next scene. Just copy the prompt for the scene 2 image, come back to Flow and drag this image just to get some reference of the color texture and how everything feels. Paste your prompt like that and hit generate. And our character will be generated just like that. What we need to do is go back to Claude, and right now we need to copy this motion prompt. After that, we need to download this image and come over to Dance again and upload the image here. Delete this prompt and delete this image. Paste the prompt you've copied and upload the downloaded image here. From there, hit generate. Again, we copy exactly what the narrator has to say. We come back to 11 Labs and we paste our text there. After that, we hit generate. Once our audio is generated, if we are happy with the way it sounds, we hit download.
Galaxy was already there.
From there, all we have to do is repeat the same process I've just shown you. Let me show you this final one. For this part where there are 2 characters involved, all you have to do is copy this prompt, come back to Flow. What you want to do is upload your first character there and your second character there. Just paste in this prompt you've copied and hit generate. It took me 2 generations to get exactly what I was looking for, this scene image. From here, all I have to do is download the same image, come over to Dance and upload that image here, copy the prompt that animates them and paste it in the prompt box and hit generate. After that, repeat this same process I have just shown you to download and generate all the image scenes and animate them using Dance. Besides that, copy the part of the narrator, that's if the scene you're generating there is narration, and use 11 Labs to generate your narration. The animation was perfect and amazing. From here, all we have to do is download all these video files that we've generated into our PC or our phone. That's if we are using our phone. And after that, upload all of them into CapCut. Assemble the video files in a chronological order and add the narrator's audio at the bottom of each clip chronologically. Not only that, we can use 11 Labs sound effects to generate our sound effects. Just go back to your prompt and scroll down to the bottom. You'll see different sound effects for each bit or each scene. All you have to do is just copy the sound effect, come back to 11 Labs and paste it there and hit generate. And you get sound effects like this. All you have to do is download this as an MP3 file. Not only that, but you can use 11 Labs music to generate your own specific music for the project that you have. Just scroll down, come back to Claude, and in the music section here, copy exactly what the first prompt for the first music that we are generating says. Just paste in your prompt like that. Then here on the auto or the relic type or the music that we are looking for, just click on it and select instrumental. We do not want any voices in it. We just want an instrument. You hit generate and you get an instrument that sounds like this. Okay, once you're happy with your music, all you have to do is download it as an MP3 into your PC and upload it into CapCut as well. Drag the music file at the bottom of your narrator's audio and reduce its volume so that it does not overpower the narration. And once everything is well assembled, you can add captions. That's if you want to. You can add transitions, add more sound effects, you can add more effects to your video until you have that cinematic feel you're looking for. And once everything is put together, this is exactly how the whole film plays out.
Every year, same road, same tree, same argument that never ends. Galaxy was already there. Neither one could finish it. And they'll be back next year. Same road, same tree, same fight that no one wins.
If you found any value in this tutorial, consider subscribing. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. From here, check out this next tutorial that walks you through how you can create Netflix level AI animated videos. God bless you.